Okay, this is our question June 19, variant 22, 4024 GCE code, and D syllabus, question number 10. And F is given here column vector because it has one column vector. This column vector, so G minus 2F. So G minus 2 times 2F. So G is 4 minus 3 and 1 and minus 5. So remaining, you know, this into this, we got a 4, okay, 2. So 4 minus 2, we got 2. And minus minus plus 10 and plus 10, and I got a 7. This is a direct answer. Okay. Now further, he's asking here that is this statement correct or wrong? Right or wrong? So that is called length or magnitude or modulus. So let's find. So this modulus is what? Let me check. Like a Pythagoras theorem, 4 squared plus minus 3 squared. And similarly, other one, 1 squared plus minus 5 squared. Is 16 plus 9, 25. And 25 plus 1, 26. So I think understood from here, this number is smaller and this number is bigger. So this is a false because the statement is wrong. Even you type in calculator, come in decimals, but it's very clear 26 is a bigger. Okay. Come on this question, B part. O to A, so means from here till here is small a. And O to B here till here is B. And this is interesting, 1 by 3, this OA. If I bring this OA value from here, small here, so OP becomes what? This 1 by 3 times 2A. So it is from here till here, 1 by 3 times 2A. But as we know, the full thing is A, so it's a 1/3 out of 3, 1 gone, so this is a 2/3 of A. So from here till here, 2/3, and from here is 1/3, and full is A. So and Q is the midpoint. So what is a gap here and gap here? They are equal. It not look like equal, but he said so. We have to follow it. Now next part, PB. So P to start and this is an easy path. P to O or to B. Path is not compulsory, but if you write, it's good. This is called path writing. P to O backward minus 1 by 3A and plus B over. It's already alphabetic order. Okay. Not compulsory, but it's good to write. OQ. Starting from Q, starting from O, ending at Q. Okay. So I think I can do another way. We have Q is a midpoint. Yeah. And Q is a midpoint. We have. So there is a correction. The Q is not a midpoint of OR. No, Q is a midpoint of PB. So what is a PB? This is and this are equal to each other. So that is why we can find easily now what is a PB is this one from here till here, and what is a PQ is a half. So we have this. So path is okay. O to Q, O to P plus P to Q. O to P is 1/3 of A. And P to Q is half of this one. I'm writing here, half times 2PB. Now I'll just expand it. And this value is, we know, minus 1 by 3A. Okay. So minus 1 by 3A and plus B. Open the bracket, 1 by 3A plus minus minus 1 by 6A. And plus and half B. So just take LCM of these two. Here 6, here I need 6. Into 2, into 2. 2A minus A, I got an A by 6. Or 1 by 6A. And here I got 1 by 2B. So this part is very clear. Okay. Now he's saying part number 3rd, QR is 2 times to OQ. So QR, this is double of that. Okay, it means this is a OQ. I have it. If I multiply into 2, I will get this. Okay, according to question. Okay. So and he's asking that show AR. AR is this, is parallel to PB. PB is this. PB, yes, I have. I need, because whenever I need to prove them parallel, okay. So actually, this does not look like parallel, but I try to make parallel. I think now they look like parallel. Okay. Now they are parallel, and this answer we have, and this I need. So try to get AR. So what is AR first? AR path. A to O plus O to R. A to O is negative A, but O to R depends upon two things. This is OQ. I write again here OQ plus QR. Okay, so OQ is what we have. OQ, yes, we have 1 by 6A plus 1 by 2B. And QR, he said twice of OQ. So into 2 I will copy. Into 2, 1 by 3A. Into 2 cancel, I got B only. This is I repeat again, this is a value here. You can see from here, and this value here from here till here. Okay. Now I just solve algebraically, and answer will come, inshallah. So first of all, I think so. Open the bracket. How many A's? 3 A's are there. Common out. -1 plus 1 by 6 and plus 1 by 3. And how many B's? 2 B's are there. Half plus 1. So take LCM. It is direct answer coming. Or you can type in calculator. I am saving my time. So it is -1 plus 1 divided by 6 and plus 1 by 3. So it is coming minus half A. And this is coming 3 by 2B. This is AR answer. Now I have to create a link there, okay? So better is a little bit hard for us. So do one thing. Take LCM here and take LCM there. LCM here is so simple. LCM is 2 minus A plus 3B. And this is the AR. Can I bring this 2 there? Yes. Then I can say that 2AR is equal to minus A plus 3B. This is link number 1. And I take LCM from here and cross multiply. So LCM is 3. So you can say that PB is equal to 3 LCM minus A plus 3B. 3 goes there. And I'm getting this almost same. You can see this equation I got from here and this I got. So right side match or not? Yes, perfectly match. If they match, leave them and put them equal to each other. Say from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. So left with the left. So I can say 2 times 2AR equal to 3 times 2PB. 2 goes there down, and I think you know that this is called lambda. This is lambda value. So it means, hence we can say, hence AR is parallel to PB vector, and that was a plan. Okay, so we have done the achievement. We have done the proving part. Okay, student, there's one mistake in order. So G is before. I made my mistake. I wrote F here. So I should change the order. Rest is clear. So this G will come here, and F will go here. So now 4 2s are 8. So I got a minus 8. So I got here minus 7. And minus plus 6. So I got a 1 here. I think so now idea is clear and mistake is finished.